Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then my name's Lauren, and if you're not already subscribed, then go and subscribe so you don't miss out. But today I'm going to be filming a no heat curls tutorial. It's like there's like this like dressing gown robe heatless curls going around at the minute, and I just think it's such a good idea. Like, I don't know why, but I've never seen it before, or heatless curls before, and I don't personally like my hair curly like anymore. I used to like, I went through like a stage when I cut my hair short of where I literally used to curl it all the time because I hated it like curly when it was long, because just like the ends and stuff were dead. It was like the curly hair that I had done in my Pretty Little Thing haul, and a lot of people commented saying you should do a tutorial on it, so here I am. Basically what you're going to see in this video is how I curl my hair with this dressing gown robe. Pretty sure everybody has one of these in the houses, a dressing gown robe. Don't know, I just personally don't know how I would live without my dressing gown. All you're going to need for this video is obviously the dressing gown robe or headband. You can use headband, but however this is going to be like a tutorial style video, so if you want to follow this then you will need a dressing gown robe, some bobbles, you just need two, so yeah, that's all you need, and obviously a hairbrush. Now I'm just going to get started with the video. I'm just going to brush my hair. You can do it from, the last time I did it from this parting. I think I might do it from the middle this time. You can do it from your side parting. Obviously you just have like a bigger chunk of curls here than here, but I've been watching a video of this girl do it with a headband, and she said to try and do it from the middle so then you like have even curls on both sides. So I'm just going to partition my hair in the center, just partition it wherever you want your parting to be, or you say tomorrow I might not even, I really hate myself with middle parting, so I'm going to do it in a middle parting, and then this side will come over here, but it'll probably have more volume to it just because it's been that way, so bringing it this way it'll probably have a lot more volume. Okay, this is why I hate myself with the middle parting, because I just don't suit it. You just partition it at the back and bring the pieces forward just like this, and then just brush through your hair, make sure it's all nice and soft. You can put any product through your hair beforehand, like a bit of oil or something, but I prefer to do that just afterwards, just because I feel like oil, I don't know, I just like to put that in once the curls are done. You literally just want to put the robe like here on your head, if you can see that. These are so good as well, like I'm literally going to be using these when I go out. Okay, so once it's on your head like this, you just want to start, I'm just going to be looking down because I've got a mirror there, you're just going to start with however thin or however thick, depending on, obviously if you do your thinner strands of hair, the tighter the curls will be, the thicker, the looser they'll be, so it just depends. However, I did notice like when I first took it out it was like really tight, but it obviously dropped out. I brushed them, it was still quite tight, and then it obviously dropped out through the day, which works very well for me because the curls were still in the second day. So I'm just going to be starting with this strand of the hair, and then you want to wrap it underneath, and then you just want to keep adding like a French plait. So now I've added this piece, and then you literally just want to pull as tight as you can, and then just keep adding. I'm probably just going to speed this up. I'll just do a few more and then I'll just speed it up a little bit just so it's not too long. But yeah, you literally just keep adding to it just like you do with a French plait, and just tightly pull it around the robe, and then just keep doing that until you get to the end. And I'll just time lapse this now until I get to the end so I can show you what you do. Right, so I'm at the end piece now. I'm just going to wrap the remaining hair just around all the way. You can just do this like as tight round as you can. So it's kind of just looking like this, all cool. And then you get a bobble or a hair tie, whatever you call it, and you just literally tie it as if it's a ponytail. This is a bit that I hate, because like trying to get this through, and like the last time I did it, one side was so much longer than the other, so you can imagine like how much harder that was. So yeah, you just wrap it around like it was a bobble in your hair. Yeah, so you just tie it like this, and then with this bit you can just either just tie it whatever, just so it doesn't annoy you. So yeah, it will be like a bit baggy, but it's still curly, so obviously these are going to be the thingy pieces, but you can bring it back to your head and tighten them tighter if you want to do. So I'm just going to do the other side. I'm just going to put this on a time lapse maybe.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
so when I was saying you can bring it like closer to your head, I probably should have done that on the other side, but I didn't. This is my second time doing it, so see, as you can see, this one's tighter. I might take this one out and just tighten it up a little bit. Okay, so that's done. I've just literally just took it out and tightened it up a bit. So yeah, this is what you look like now, but you can literally just either tie these at the back of your head. I just tied it literally like a little, just like this, just so they're not as long and getting stuck everywhere. You can tie it as many times as you want, just to, I mean, it's not a very attractive look, is it? So this is how it looks at the minute. It's kind of like milkmaid vibes. You can put it at the back of your head and then that looks even more like a milkmaid. But yeah, I just sleep like this now, and then when I wake up I'll come back and show you. The only thing with this is if you're confident enough to just go out like this. I mean, I would, depending on where I'm going, like if it was just like Asda or something, I really wouldn't be bothered, like my local shop. Yeah, I'm just gonna sleep in this now, and it's comfortable to sleep in. It literally just feels like you've got plaits in or something. It's not uncomfortable, obviously, because it's a dressing gown robe, so the material is comfy and soft. So yeah, I'll see you when I wake up and then I'll take it out and show you how to take it out and what it looks like. Good morning. Right, so when you wake up, it does look a little bit like a mess and like crazy. I literally look mad right now in the camera. But yeah, anyway, once it's like this, it is now 10 o'clock, so it's been in for about 13 hours or something like that. So I'm going to take it out now. So all you do to take it out is literally just take this bobble off, like you would do if you had a ponytail in. You literally just take the bobble off, and then you literally just unravel the hair from here. I had to do this side again last night, so do make sure when you do this to tighten it like tight. I didn't do that the first time. I don't know whether it's just because like with what hand I'm like, because I'm right-handed, and last time I used obviously a thinner section of hair on this side because my side part was on this side, so I don't know whether it was that, but it just came loose like really bad. But then once I did it again, it was fine. So this is how the curls turned out on this side. Then you just want to go ahead and take the other side out, and then you just take the robe off, and then this is how the curls turn out. I will say last time they was more curly, I think. I don't know, it's because my hair was really soft. It's on the second day. I didn't wash it yesterday, so I don't know why, but maybe it's because I had a deep condition when I washed it, so it's quite soft. But they still look nice, but my hair stays quite curly for like a long time. So when it's like this, all you want to do now is take either a brush or a comb. I'm just using this like Cloud9 like tooth comb. I don't know, is that what you call it? Yeah, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to brush through the curls with this. I just find using a comb like this keeps the curls together more than a brush would. So once you brush it out, they go into like a nicer curl. I just like my curls looser and not like really tight. so I think it just looks better. And I literally love how this makes my hair look, because normally when I curl my hair it just does not look right. I don't know if it's just because I'm bad at curling hair or it just doesn't work with curlers. Like, you can see these pieces underneath are like a bit like this. It's just because of the bobble, but it literally, it falls out through the day. And then you just go ahead and style your hair as you normally would. I'm just going to put some products in it. So I'm just going to put some hair oil. This is just some coconut oil. And then I'm going to use this, which is the Illuminating Hair Perfume by Toni and Guy. This just makes your hair smell nice and it makes it look a bit shiny. You use this once your hair's been done and styled. So I'm just going to put a bit of that in. So I literally just put like 2 pumps of the oil into my hand, just rub it in, and then literally just go through the curls with my fingers. And it just makes your hair smell nice and makes it shiny. So just brush through it again with the comb. You can use the brush if you want, but I did use the brush last time just because it was a bit more tighter, but obviously this time they're looser, and this is how I would want my hair as if I was going out. So this is how they've turned out. This is how they are at the minute. But yeah, they just look so nice. I think like they look like you've had, like, you know, like hairdresser done hair, so you've had it in rollers or you had a curly blow dry. They just look nice and big and loose and not natural, but like they just look a lot nicer. So yeah, if you don't like your hair curly, I would recommend trying to do this because it's a lot different than a curling iron. And obviously it's a lot healthier for your hair. Like, your hair, you're not using any heat on it, which I need because I don't really like to use heat onto my hair. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy this video and find it really helpful to do your own dressing gown robe curls. It's a good trend going around at the minute, and it is so good to your hair as it's no heat, and it does make it look like this, which is amazing. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy. If you did, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more helpful videos like this. And also, my channel has a very different variety of content, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up if you did enjoy and find it helpful. Thank you. Bye.